In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Slack. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to note that this action is irreversible. Once you delete your workspace, all of its messages, files, and other data will be permanently removed. Be sure to back up anything important before beginning this process. To get started, open your web browser and go to Slack's website. Log in using the credentials for the workspace you wish to delete. Once you're inside Slack, look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll see a drop-down arrow next to the name of your workspace. Click on this arrow to open a menu with more options. In the menu, locate and click on Tools and Settings. This will navigate you to a new page featuring various administrative settings for your workspace. From here, you'll want to find and select Workspace Settings. Now, you'll see several options related to the management of your workspace. Scroll through these options until you find Delete Workspace. It's crucial to ensure you're in the correct workspace settings, as this action cannot be undone. Once you've located Delete Workspace, click on it. A warning will appear, reminding you that all of your workspace's messages and files will be permanently deleted. If you're sure you want to proceed, you'll need to confirm your decision by clicking on the option that acknowledges you understand the permanence of this action. Next, you will be prompted to type in your Slack password. This step is essential for verifying that you have the authority to carry out such a significant action. Type in your password carefully and double check for any typos to prevent any delays in the process. Having confirmed your password, you'll be faced with one final step: clicking on the button labeled Yes, Delete My Workspace. This is your last chance to change your mind, so be completely sure before proceeding. And there you have it, your Slack workspace is now deleted. Keep in mind that this action cannot be reversed, and any data that was part of the workspace is now permanently gone. If you have any remaining work to do, such as informing team members or ensuring all necessary files are backed up, now is the time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide helped you through the process. Be sure to